This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the front edge of the bonnet a little, pull the safety catch to release it, and fully open the bonnet. The fuel filter is mounted on the inner wing in the engine compartment. Place rags around the filter to mop up any spilled fuel. At the top of the filter unit, release the clip and lift out the control valve, leaving the fuel hoses attached to it. Plug the opening to prevent contamination. Release the clips and disconnect the fuel hoses from the top of the filter. Again, plug the openings to prevent contamination. Note its fitted position, then slacken the clamp screw and lift the filter from the bracket. It's important that the new filter is fitted in the same position as the original. Locate the new filter into the bracket and tighten the clamp screw. Remove the plug, prise the old O-ring seals from the control valve, then carefully locate the new seals into the grooves on the valve. Note that the blue seal is uppermost. Lubricate the seals with a little clean fuel, then press the control valve down into place on the filter and refit the retaining clip. Remove the plugs and covers, then reconnect the fuel hoses to their original locations on the top of the filter. With the hoses reconnected, secure them with the retaining clips. Start the engine and run it at idle, then check around the fuel filter for fuel leaks. Note that it may take a few seconds of cranking before the engine starts. Increase the engine speed to about 2000 RPM several times, then allow the engine to idle again. Firmly close the bonnet and check it secure.